Greeley residents who have a passion for landscaping and making sure that their irrigation system is efficient will really appreciate this year's Landscape Lecture Series. So the team behind putting this impressive lineup together is Greeley's water efficiency team. And with me, Dina, so start with you. What's the main goal of the 2026 Landscape Lecture Series, and why is it important for Greeley?
Oh, fantastic question, Corey. As the manager, we are a team of 4 people. And we really understand that our community of Greeley is very diverse, and we have different perspectives on how water is being used, both indoors and also outdoors. So we're really here to enhance everyone's education and knowledge on landscapes and irrigation. And this landscape lecture series essentially provides best practices, guidance on how to achieve fantastic looking landscapes. Our ultimate goal is to make sure that we have sustainable, thriving, beautiful landscapes for the city of Greeley.
Everybody likes seeing beautiful landscapes and lots of green. So Ben, who are the people that would most be intrigued by this Landscape Lecture Series, and why?
Well, really, any member of the community would benefit from the Landscape Lecture Series. We're really targeting the new residents in Greeley, some that have moved from outside the area and some that are new homeowners that just don't understand that. So these are opportunities for them to gain that knowledge and expertise at their own home. And also any DIYers or landscape enthusiasts or anyone really trying to just grow a green thumb would be able to gain information from this, and there's valuable information in each of the segments that they can be used and take away for their own landscape, regardless of size and regardless of condition.
We shuffled in a couple of other members from Greeley's water efficiency team because there are so many people working behind the scenes to make sure that this year's Landscape Lecture Series really connects with residents. So Jake, what are you most excited about the lecture series this year?
Well, we have a really great lineup for our lecture series. We're going to have classes on irrigation, landscape health, native plants, as well as water efficiency. I'm personally really excited about our irrigation classes that I'm going to be putting on. We're going to talk about irrigation components, smart scheduling, how much water your landscape actually needs, as well as some guest speakers coming in and some hands-on demonstrations, as well as some take-home tips.
All right, and I know that one that I'm kind of excited about, I saw in the lineup, is drip conversion systems. You know, as I know I use too much water in my garden, and something like a drip conversion would be really beneficial. Tell me about that one.
Yeah, absolutely. We're going to have a class about converting your above irrigation system to a drip system, as well as talking about installation of a drip system altogether. So it'll be really interesting.
All right, looking forward to it. Thank you. So Margarita, what residents, what should they expect when they tune in or when they show up for one of these trainings?
Yeah, well, our residents should expect the first and third Wednesday of the month from February through April to have a lecture series out. It is going to be hosted as hybrid, so our residents can actually come in person or join online as well. We are going to be recording the lecture series as well, so it will be posted at a later date on our website. With that, in our lecture series, we are going to have opportunities for questions, so come along, bring your own questions if you have about your garden, your irrigation system, anything that you guys have. We'll be more than happy to answer, as well as on our website we'll have more information of when the dates and when times are going to happen for our lecture series.
I love the fact that it's interactive, so that's great. Back to you, Jake. What's the most important thing that you want residents to know about this year's lecture series?
Yeah, the lecture series is a great way for our community to connect and learn how to keep Greeley a beautiful, sustainable, and resilient place to live.
All right, well, thank you both. For more information about the Landscape Lecture Series, just go to GreeleyCO.gov/water/efficiency and then click on the Water Efficiency Education button.